Has your Zamioculcas gone months or even years without producing a single new leaf? Do you feel like no matter how much you care for it, it looks like a plastic plant because it simply doesn't grow at all? Be very careful, because today I'm going to reveal the best kept secret of professional nurseries to wake up your Zamioculcas from that deep sleep. I guarantee that after applying what we are going to prepare today, you will see new shoots and intensely green leaves appear in record time. The most incredible part is that the main ingredient is in your kitchen right now and almost always ends up in the trash. Stay with me, because today, here on Simply Green Plant Care Tips, we are going to transform that stagnant plant into a true jewel of your garden. Many people say that Zamioculcas naturally grows slowly, and although it is true that this is a patient plant, it is not normal for it to go a whole year without showing signs of life. If your plant is not growing, it is because something in its roots is blocked. Zamioculcas store all their energy in underground organs called rhizomes, which look like small potatoes. If those rhizomes do not receive the proper stimulation, or if the substrate is too compacted, the plant enters survival mode. Today, we are going to break that cycle. We are going to give those rhizomes the signal that it is time to expand. But first, I want you to check something very important. Touch the base of the stems. If they are firm, but there are no new shoots, this video is exactly what you need. The time has come to prepare our biological booster. The secret ingredient I told you about is nothing less than concentrated lentil water, but prepared with a special fermentation trick. Lentils contain a natural hormone called auxin, which is responsible for making roots multiply and stems reach toward the sky. To prepare it, you will take 1 cup of raw lentils and let them soak in 1 liter of water for just 24 hours. But pay attention. The secret to preventing a bad smell and helping the plant absorb it better is adding 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Cinnamon acts as a natural fungicide, protecting the rhizomes from any fungus while the lentil hormones do their job. Mix well, strain the liquid, and you will have a pure growth elixir in your hands. Now, pay close attention to how we are going to apply this. It's not just about pouring it into the pot. First, make sure the soil is completely dry. We want the rhizomes to be thirsty, so that when you apply our preparation, they immediately absorb it straight into the heart of the plant. Water in a circular motion, avoiding directly wetting the base of the stems to prevent excessive moisture. And while the soil is being nourished, we are also going to nourish the leaves. Take a cotton cloth dampened with a drop of olive oil and clean each leaf. This is not just for aesthetics. By removing dust and giving the plant that luxury shine, you allow it to breathe better and make the most of every ray of light, no matter how small, accelerating the photosynthesis that will push out new shoots. If you apply this treatment and follow my watering advice, in just a few days, you will see the soil begin to crack because a new shoot is pushing strongly from below. It is a wonderful feeling to see your plant come back to life. Remember that Zamioculcas are resilient plants, and with a little love and the right fertilizer, they will bring you a lot of joy. If you enjoyed this secret and want me to keep sharing my homemade tricks, don't forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell. And today, I want us to do something special so the energy of our garden can grow. If you want to attract that strength and vitality for your plants, write here in the comments the phrase, "My Zamioculcas will grow." By writing it, you not only support the channel, but we also come together as a community of plant lovers to share our successes. I read every comment. A green hug, and I'll see you in the next video on Simply Green Plant Care Tips.